RoboLinux has been around for years as one of the more unique Linux distributions. But its latest release, RoboLinux 14.1, is attracting renewed attention from users looking for a Windows alternative that minimizes the learning curve. While many Linux distributions focus on customization, performance, or cutting-edge features, RoboLinux has always aimed to make switching from Windows as simple as possible. Now, with version 14.1, the project continues that mission by updating its underlying technology while refining the overall desktop experience. If you've been wondering whether RoboLinux is worth trying in 2026, this first look will give you a clear idea of what this release offers and where it fits in today's Linux ecosystem. At its core, RoboLinux 14.1 is built on a stable Debian foundation, which immediately gives it one major advantage. Debian has earned a reputation for reliability, long-term support, and an enormous software repository. That means users get access to thousands of applications while benefiting from one of the most mature Linux ecosystems available. Stability is often more important than having the newest software, especially for users migrating from Windows who simply want their computer to work every day without surprises. RoboLinux embraces this philosophy by focusing on dependability instead of chasing experimental features. One of the first things users notice after installation is the familiar desktop layout. RoboLinux offers interfaces that resemble traditional Windows desktops, making the transition much easier for newcomers. The application menu, taskbar, notification area, and file manager all feel intuitive for someone who has spent years using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Instead of forcing users to completely rethink how they interact with their computer, RoboLinux provides an environment that feels comfortable from the very beginning. This approach significantly reduces the intimidation factor that many first-time Linux users experience. Installation itself remains straightforward. The installer guides users through language selection, keyboard configuration, disk partitioning, user account creation, and system setup with clear instructions. For most users, the entire installation process can be completed in less than 20 minutes depending on hardware performance. The installer also detects modern hardware efficiently, ensuring support for most processors, storage devices, and networking components without requiring complicated manual configuration. This simplicity makes RoboLinux particularly appealing to users who have never installed Linux before. Performance is another area where RoboLinux 14.1 delivers solid results. Since it avoids unnecessary background services and excessive visual effects, the operating system feels responsive even on older computers. Applications launch quickly, desktop animations remain smooth, and multitasking is handled efficiently. Users with aging laptops that struggle under modern versions of Windows may notice a dramatic improvement after switching to RoboLinux. Hardware that seemed too slow for daily use can suddenly become useful again, extending the lifespan of devices that might otherwise be replaced. Another strength of RoboLinux is its reasonable system resource usage. Memory consumption after boot remains relatively low compared to Windows, leaving more resources available for actual applications. CPU usage stays minimal during idle operation, and storage requirements are also modest. This combination makes RoboLinux suitable for budget PCs, refurbished systems, office computers, and home users looking for an efficient operating system that doesn't require the latest hardware. Energy efficiency can also improve on laptops, helping extend battery life during everyday tasks. Software availability remains one of Linux's greatest strengths, and RoboLinux fully benefits from Debian's extensive repositories. Popular applications like LibreOffice, Firefox, Chromium, GIMP VLC Media Player, Thunderbird, and countless development tools can be installed with just a few clicks through graphical package managers or terminal commands. Whether users need productivity software, multimedia tools, educational applications, programming environments, or creative software, the available catalog is extensive. Automatic dependency management ensures installations remain straightforward, even for beginners unfamiliar with Linux package systems. Security has always been a major advantage of Linux, and RoboLinux continues that tradition. Since Linux malware remains significantly less common than Windows malware, users benefit from a naturally safer computing environment. Regular security updates help address newly discovered vulnerabilities, while Debian's conservative update approach reduces the risk of introducing instability. The system's permission model also prevents many forms of malicious software from causing widespread damage without explicit administrative approval. For users concerned about cybersecurity, These built-in protections provide valuable peace of mind. One feature that has historically distinguished RoboLinux is its focus on helping Windows users preserve compatibility with existing workflows. Earlier versions became known for virtualization tools that allowed Windows applications to continue running inside Linux, while specific bundled features may vary depending on the edition. The overall philosophy remains focused on easing migration instead of demanding users immediately abandon every Windows program they rely on. Many users also turn to Wine or virtual machines to run selected Windows software when necessary, giving them flexibility during the transition period. Daily usability feels polished throughout RoboLinux 14.1. File browsing is intuitive. System settings are organized logically. Software installation is simplified through graphical tools, and hardware management requires minimal user intervention. USB devices, printers, Bluetooth accessories, and external storage generally function with little effort, thanks to Linux's continually improving hardware support. For everyday computing tasks including web browsing, email, document editing, video playback, online meetings, and light photo editing, RoboLinux provides everything most users need immediately after installation. For developers and technical users, RoboLinux also offers the flexibility expected from a Debian-based Linux distribution. Programming languages including Python, C++, Java, Rust, Go, and JavaScript development environments are readily available. Docker containers, Git repositories, virtualization software, SSH tools, and countless open-source utilities can all be installed easily. Although RoboLinux primarily targets desktop users, it remains fully capable of supporting software development, scripting, automation, and server administration tasks when needed. Gaming on Linux has improved dramatically in recent years, and RoboLinux benefits from these ecosystem-wide advances. Steam is available for installation, and compatibility technologies such as Proton allow thousands of Windows games to run directly on Linux without requiring Windows itself. While not every game works perfectly, support continues expanding rapidly. Native Linux games also perform well, and users with modern graphics hardware can enjoy impressive gaming experiences. For casual gamers and many enthusiasts, RoboLinux now represents a genuinely practical gaming platform. Customization remains another important strength. Although RoboLinux presents a familiar desktop by default, users can personalize themes, icons, wallpapers, fonts, window behavior, keyboard shortcuts, and panel layouts according to their preferences. More advanced users can install entirely different desktop environments if they choose, transforming the system into something completely different without reinstalling the operating system. This flexibility allows RoboLinux to satisfy both beginners seeking familiarity and experienced Linux users who enjoy tailoring every aspect of their desktop. Of course, RoboLinux is not perfect. Users dependent on specialized Windows-only professional software may still encounter compatibility limitations. Certain enterprise applications, niche engineering tools, proprietary business software, or advanced creative suites may require Windows itself. Hardware manufacturers occasionally prioritize Windows drivers before Linux support, meaning a small number of very new devices could require additional configuration. These limitations are common across nearly all Linux distributions rather than being unique to RoboLinux, but they're still worth considering before making a complete switch. The community surrounding Debian also indirectly benefits RoboLinux users. Since many issues encountered on RoboLinux can be solved using Debian documentation or broader Linux resources, users have access to an enormous collection of tutorials, forums, troubleshooting guides, and community support. This extensive knowledge base significantly reduces frustration when learning Linux for the first time. Instead of relying solely on distribution-specific documentation, users can often find answers through Debian communities, Linux forums, or open-source documentation projects. Overall, RoboLinux 14.1 represents a thoughtful evolution rather than a radical redesign. It focuses on delivering stability, simplicity, performance, and familiarity instead of chasing flashy features or dramatic interface changes. For Windows users considering their first Linux experience, it provides one of the smoother transition paths available thanks to its approachable desktop, dependable Debian foundation, efficient resource usage, strong security, and broad software compatibility. While power users may still prefer distributions like Arch, Fedora, or OpenSUSE for their specific workflows, RoboLinux successfully serves its intended audience by making Linux less intimidating. If your goal is to breathe new life into older hardware, reduce dependence on Windows, improve system security, or simply explore open-source computing without feeling overwhelmed, RoboLinux 14.1 is certainly worth a closer look and stands as another reminder that the Linux desktop continues to mature into a practical choice for everyday users.